Need to remove formulas but keep the final values in Excel? Here's a quick and reliable method to convert formulas into plain data. Perfect for reports, sharing files, or locking in results. Okay, let's get started. Here we've got a typical example: employees, their hours, rates, and a total pay column calculated with formulas. First, select the cells with formulas, in this case, D2 to D5. Now, press Ctrl plus C. Or right-click and choose Copy. Next, right-click on the same selection. Go to Paste Special and choose Paste as Values. Finally, click OK. And boom, the formulas are gone, but the numbers stay. Want a lightning-fast shortcut? After copying the formulas, just press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Then hit V and press Enter. It instantly pastes as values. Super handy when you're working fast. And that's it. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and hit subscribe for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next one.